Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can get Instagram Lens and how you can use it and etc. So first of all, to do this tutorial I will need you to grab your phones instead of your PCs or any other devices like computers and laptops. But we will use only tablets and phones. So now what we're gonna do is go to App Store or Google Store, it depends on your PC or on your phone type, and then search for Snapchat. So as you can see here, that's my Snapchat. So now what I'm going to do is basically install it. If you have already installed it like I did, you have to update it on the latest version. If you have updated on the latest version like mine, which is this 2016 2019 29 or any other version, it will still work. So now let's click on open, or we can search for it on here and open it from here. So now as you can see, this is my okay, let's maybe later, so let's go here or whatever you want to go. So this is like the Snapchat reels or stories or whatever it is. And let's say for example wanted to see the song, you can check it from here. Let's search for something. Anyway, so let's say that someone has used a filter or lens as they call it in Snapchat. So what you need to do is the filter will be next to the sound in the bottom left, so in here. So what you need to do is just click on it and you will be able to use the lens on your images, or else you can basically just go to take a picture, and from here you choose this and you keep swapping and choose the perfect lens for you. So you keep swapping, and just like that you will be able to see all the kind of different lenses that you have, and of course you can use them and take pictures using those lenses. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.